Good morning. I just woke up. I'm waiting for my coffee. Good morning. Good morning, my guy. Are you so excited? Good morning. Thank you. I'm gonna make bacon, eggs, sausage, avocado. I think that's it. Alright, this is the bacon I'm gonna be using. It's the one from Costco that I showed in my haul. And then I will be doing some sausage. I don't know how many, probably like 1 or 2. And these actually have 2 grams of carbs for every 3 links. And just in case you were wondering, 2 fried slices of bacon is 0 grams of carbs. I'm just frying up the bacon right now. I'm gonna add 1 sausage. Usually I microwave them, but since I'm already doing the bacon right here, this is fine. And the bacon fat. Let's do the egg. I don't like any boogery egg whites. About to cook it through. I'm gonna add some salt and pepper. Yeah, buddy. And that's done. I'm gonna add some cheese, and this is the shredded pepper jack cheese that I showed in the haul from Costco, and we just shredded at home. Just gonna put a little bit, like this much, right on the egg while it's hot so it can melt. Now let's serve up the bacon and the sausage. I put it directly on the plate because I don't need to drain out the fat. This looks like a sad avocado, but it's fine. It's from breakfast from yesterday. Put a little bit of this seasoning on my avocado. It's everything but the bagel seasoning. I got it from Costco. So my vitamins, the one that's chipped is a hair, skin, and nails vitamin. These beige ones are multivitamins. The green ones are green tea vitamins. They're fat burners. And then the black one is magnesium. This one is fish oil. I could go over why we take them, the brands, where I get them, all that stuff in another video. If you want to see that, please give this video a thumbs up and comment down below. And by the way, breakfast, I mean, what time is it? 1 p.m. right now? This is the time I do my breakfast because I'm doing intermittent fasting. If you want to know more about that, let me know and I will record a video about it. In case you were wondering, I work from home 50% of the day, and then I will get ready like right now after breakfast, and I will head to the office for the rest of my day. Coming down to the last few bites. Now that's a fucking bite. What are you doing, dude? Is that your way of asking me to rub you?
Gosh. That's my ducky. Let's give him a rub. That's your belly rub. That's your belly rub right there. That's your good belly. That's your my ducky.
Yes, I closed the door on my finger. It's really bad. It hurt. Dusted. I'm gonna finish taking my vitamins with the rest of my water. I already started on lunch, and this is just 1 pound of bacon, and I just cut it up, and it's 1 pound of ground beef, some mushroom, green onions, some serrano right there, a yellow bell pepper, green bell pepper, and then I am gonna add 1 bag of coleslaw and some broccoli, and I'll show you that in a little bit. So this is gonna be our lunch and probably our dinner if we are hungry. So what I like to do is just use whatever's in the fridge, and today I had some bell peppers I wanted to use up before we go out of town, and some mushroom. It's so easy to make. You just really throw everything together. Usually I put like ground pork, but today I didn't have ground pork, so I used bacon, and it's just as good, probably even better. Alright, so I ended up portioning everything out for that meal, and it ended up being 3 6 ounces, 3 8 ounces, and 1 6 1/4. You don't have to measure everything like I do, but I like this, that way everything's portioned out. We could just grab and go. The 8 ounces is for my husband, and the 6 ounces is for me. And this should be good for a couple days. We'll see if we end up eating maybe like lunch and dinner the same meal, because we have done that before and we really enjoy this meal, so eating it twice a day isn't that bad. This is going to be my dinner. It is the egg roll in a bowl, and I'm just going to go ahead and move it over to a glass plate and put it in the microwave. Just waiting for anything to drop. Huh, Ghost? You waiting for something to drop? Hey, Ghost. Yeah? Mm-hmm. Yep. Can't forget the water. Mm-mm-mm.